Well, hello.
It's like, okay, we can turn off this. Swing this out of the hell. You're so
Wake
happy.
up, kids.
She's like, the brown tube. It's missing. Okay. Now this is where we have to make sure they only go on the good ones.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, whoa, whoa. It's okay. Not that one. That was almost good. Right there. Right there. Okay.
Your brown one.
Brown. Not too dark.
There.
No, that's not the good one. It's the
Her
it's
left side.
Mark, it's an L when you look at her when she's on her back. It's this one. Trust me. All right, look at that. Are you timing it? 11:42. How much time do we want to give them?
5 minutes.
Okay.
It's not 11 o'clock. It's
Or,
1:50.
I know, sorry, 1:42.
Stay.
You stay,
She'll
Jada.
hold her head, Vicky.
Oh, I know, she wants water. I'll get her water bowl.
Num 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 num.
Mm. These two guys.
These are not skinny puppies.
Mm-mm.
They're not suffering from lack of food.
They seem healthy.
Vicky was saying she didn't think they gained enough in the last day. I'm like, gaining more than an ounce.
Mm. How much are they supposed to gain in a day? Or at this stage,
You know,
I guess.
we've had puppies that, I don't know if it's, I usually save my record somewhere, but an ounce a day is good. When they get to someplace in the 2 or 3 week age,
Mm-hmm.
they can gain 2 or 3 ounces a day.
Wow.
Hey.
I mean, the drain on the mom is just incredible. She always likes to drink. What, are we messing with you too much?
Move the water bowl before we dump it.
She's like, okay, just wait for my water.
No.
They're so cute.
Yum, 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 yum. Here, I'll have to get some traction. Be a backstop. If you cut their toenails and they can't get traction.
I mean, there are times it's empty.
That one's not empty.
But it's a little harder to get to them.
Mm.
So it's like, yeah, this is too hard. I'm going to find an easier one. Minutes.
Pointing. Alright, tail up. Alright, tail up. Where's the birds? Alright, oh, there.
So there are 4 nipples that you're letting them nurse on.
5.
5.
Five.
Okay.
There's one more down below her now.
Mm-hmm.
When we flip her over, we'll get that one.
Mm.
You let that one fill up a little bit.
Is she done?
Woo! flying lesson.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is the very important part.
Poop eating part.
We hope. We hope there's a lot of poop eating here.
That's what they do, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Yes, the day we had messes everywhere was the day we really
Here, take
wanted.
this one then, Vicky.
Which one?
First on the wrong nipple.
I think she already pooped in the sink.
What about you? Want some nicking?
You're such a good mommy, Jada.
Oh my god.
Yeah, face.
And that face just...
Is that the one that is your new Facebook photo?
That's... yeah, that's 2 dot.
It's an incredibly cute face.
It is.
Here, Jada.
She's a working mom.
It's just so cool to see her, like, you all working together.
Yeah, she totally
Like,
gets it.
Yeah. She's like, I understand that you're helping me with this process, and
Okay, how about get some on those other nipples here?
Well, I was...
Alright,
Actually,
we'll wait till we get that one off,
yeah.
then we'll flip them.
She cleans better when she's laying upright.
mhm.
Hey.
She wants to clean herself, too. Clean before the next crew comes in.
Yes, fight it all up. Yes. There you go. Move the water bowl on flipper.
What's wrong with her? Okay, Jada. Have to roll over. Good girl. Here's one. We could put you on that one. That's a big boy. Here's number 5. You want her up there?
Hey,
Little boy.
around.
Boy right there. Okay, that's all. 2 dots already done, so if anyone wants to move around, they can go back to that one.
Brown team.
The brown team's all dressed alike.
Cleveland, the Cleveland Browns.
Mm.